What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. We had to take a little ride. I had to go to the mall parking lot to meet somebody and pick something up. I know that sounds really shady, but it's not. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to prove to you that I do wash Lola once in a while. And I'm going to show you how to take care of your denim paint. It's highly sophisticated, my technique of taking care of my denim paint. So stay tuned. Let's go for this little ride and then we'll check that out. Alright, he's not here yet. I'm just meeting a co-worker, a friend of mine, to pick up a bottle of wine. He's given to me once my grandfather and me to try out. You know us Italian in our wine. So I'm just gonna sit here, wait for him, shut the camera off, and then we will get back on the road and head home. Alright, that's done. Let's head back home. Alright guys, well that's about as good as she gets. At least I got the bugs off. You know, I should have made a disclaimer before I did this video that if your bike's a garage queen, or even worse yet, if you put it on a trailer to take it across the country when you go on a trip, you probably shouldn't watch that. You see a bike with this much, what do we say? I call it patina. It's a fancy word for beat to shit. You see a bike like this, it might give you a heart attack. I'm only kidding. I kid the trailer people and the garage queens. As long as you got a bike and you ride, it's none of my business. You do what you do. I put miles on. With that said, Now we're going to take care of some denim paint issues. Well, actually, just one. Lola got a little boo-boo. I'll show you. Yep, that's what happens when you take a road glide camping. So I'm going to show you how to touch that up today. But while we're here, I get a lot of questions about that. I went to Mayberry this year. So I got Barney and Andy, and of course they're saying, yo asshole. Alright, let's do this. So there's a very special tool you need to touch that up. I don't know if they have them by you. That's right. That's how I touch up my denim paint. Again, if your bike's a garage queen that gets waxed all the time, you might want to look away. Alright, there she is, good as new. I apologize to everybody that really thought this was going to be a technical how-to video of how to take care of your denim paint, but it pretty much is. That's what I do. I spend more time riding and putting miles on than worrying about a chip or a scratch, but that actually works pretty good. If you got a big chip that you just want to cover up, throw a little Sharpie on that. I mean, of course it might wash off if you're riding in the rain, but at least it, you know, makes it blend in a little better. There she is, ready for more miles. Alright guys, thanks again for watching Jersey Nick Moto. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, helps me out a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.